Have you ever come across a LinkedIn job post that seemed too good to be true? You're not alone. Fake job posts are everywhere on LinkedIn, and they're not just scams by hackers. Even some HR and talent acquisition specialists post fake openings just to gain followers. It's a troubling trend. In this video, we'll uncover how to recognize fake job posts, protect yourself, and navigate LinkedIn job hunting safely. Why fake job posts are dangerous. Fake job posts don't just waste your time, they can compromise your personal information, harm your financial security, and damage your trust in professional networks. Key risks include stolen credentials through phishing links, scammers requesting upfront payments or sensitive data, wasted efforts on roles that don't even exist. In 2024 alone, phishing scams and fake job posts on LinkedIn targeted millions of job seekers globally, making it one of the top platforms for these schemes. Signs of a fake job post. Here's how to identify fake job posts before they cost you time or money. Vague job descriptions. Roles like manager or consultant with no specific responsibilities or qualifications are suspicious. For example, posts saying looking for ambitious individuals for a great opportunity, with no details are major red flags. Unprofessional language. Legitimate companies maintain professionalism in their job posts. Typos, grammar errors, and casual language signal a lack of authenticity. Too good to be true offers. Be cautious of jobs promising unrealistically high salaries or perks for minimal qualifications. Scammers use enticing offers to lure victims. Requests for personal information or money. No legitimate employer will ever ask for sensitive details, like your bank account info, social security number, or payment upfront. No company website or details. If the post lacks a proper company profile, verified LinkedIn page, or a link to a professional website, proceed with caution. Urgency and pressure. Phrases like act fast or limited time opportunity are common in scams. Don't let urgency push you into a bad decision. Unverified recruiters. Check the recruiter's LinkedIn profile. A minimal number of connections, no profile picture, or vague professional history are all red flags. How to avoid LinkedIn job scams. Research the company thoroughly. Visit the company's LinkedIn page, official website, and online reviews. Legitimate companies will have a consistent online presence. Verify the recruiter's profile. Check the recruiter's credentials, activity, and mutual connections to ensure they are legitimate. Check contact information. Be cautious of recruiters using generic email domains like Gmail or Yahoo. Professional organizations use official email addresses. Look for verified job posts. Many companies use LinkedIn's Easy Apply feature or display a verified badge. This adds an extra layer of credibility. Ask for job details. Request information about the team structure, daily tasks, or company culture. Scammers tend to avoid detailed discussions. Trust your instincts. If something feels off or too good to be true, trust your gut and proceed cautiously. Report suspicious posts. Help keep the LinkedIn community safe by reporting fake job posts or suspicious recruiters. Fake jobs for engagement. It's not just scammers targeting job seekers. Some HR professionals post fake jobs purely to gain likes, comments, and followers. Why they do it? Posts like "we're hiring 50 people immediately" generate thousands of engagements even when the jobs don't exist. How to spot these posts? Look for vague job descriptions, lack of responses from recruiters, and no updates on the hiring process. Tips for safe job hunting on LinkedIn. Take your safety to the next level with these tips. Follow trusted organizations. Stick to well-known companies and recruitment agencies with verified LinkedIn profiles. Enable privacy settings. Limit what recruiters and connections can see on your LinkedIn profile to avoid becoming a target. Use security features. Enable two-factor authentication to protect your LinkedIn account from unauthorized access. Fake job posts are everywhere, but with these tips, you can avoid scams and focus on legitimate opportunities. Thank you for watching. Stay secure and follow for more cybersecurity updates.